got the whole trailer.
Hello.
Like, that's what I'm doing. I'm
We're here
one of the
at the
boards on the
Sawmill
trailer
today,
rotted away. The rest of them
picking
are
up
fine.
some
Okay,
wood.
yeah, that was 10 years ago.
And picking up a board for a trailer.
Yeah, just pull around in front, walk to the front door, tell them what you want, and we'll load you up,
It's
okay,
in
buddy?
Kirkland,
Okay.
Sound good?
Illinois.
All right.
And we'll see what they got there. Looks like a pretty cool place. Hey, the guy
See how they sell firewood?
Yeah. So this is how they sell firewood. Okay. In packs like that. Okay. Is that guy the owner?
I doubt it. It's probably one of the guys that works here.
Oh, look at that. They put overalls on the... I want that rooster. Oh my god.
Those are
It's wearing
pajamas.
overalls. Come on. Pajamas, whatever. Seller of hardwood and lumber. Awesome. Oh my god. I'm just gonna leave this here. You lock the door, right? Yeah.
Got your money in your pocket?
I'm gonna bring it right now. I bring money to buy everything. It's Saturday morning, but it's pretty quiet here. But it's nice. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, even though it's only 46 miles from where we live normally. Hi. Cool.
Good morning.
How are you? Good.
Good, how are you? Came to pick up our 14-foot board from Mike Weicker, maybe? And some bundles of your cutoff.
What's the name?
Wydra, W-Y-D-R-A. I hope you put it under my name.
Yeah. Should be under your name. Be right back. See what you can find in there. Yeah, it's got a nice welcome sign here. And the rooster's pretty cool. So, yep, we brought our big trailer here to haul everything and load it up on here, so hopefully it'll fit, because we're bringing about 4 bundles. Yeah, so if you buy 3 bundles, they say that you get the 4th one free. So yeah, we'll see. That would be nice. But just wanted to show you how much wood he's got here. And this is how they pack firewood in those crates. And then this is all the wood he's got here, quite a bit. So he's got some big logs, he's got some stacks that are cut up, and definitely got quite a collection here. So, and pretty neat building there. Yeah, it's really nice. It's quiet, but well, looks like they got a building full of wood in there, so that looks pretty neat. And this stuff smells fresh too. They got a big saw in there where they cut stuff. It's quite a bit of wood over here, so yeah, well, if you want to have a wood burning stove, then you're gonna need to put wood in it. So, and even when you have a lot, eventually you're gonna run out, so you're gonna have to restack, that's for sure. But it's nice coming out here. Like I said, it's about 46 miles from where we live, so it took us about an hour to get here, but it's a nice drive and it's nice and quiet, not as crowded and full of cars and people like by us. So yes, people here, most of them farm, and said some of them work at the sawmill, but it's pretty neat. So this was a nice little road trip this morning. So well, I'm gonna go back in and check out when they're gonna load us up, and then I will catch up with you guys later. So, but I really like the rooster. He's neat. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you later.